Downtown Pittsburgh just had a pretty good cell of rain move right on through. Let's see what's going on in the rest of the area. And for the rest of the night, here's meteorologist Ray Petelin. Ray.
Well, Ken, that one was a very small scale one that developed over downtown Pittsburgh. We have a bigger area from the North Hills that pretty much rides up Route 8 right to the Butler County line, and some very heavy rain there. So if you know someone whose commute takes them along Route 8, that is going to be a slower commute this evening. Some very heavy rain up this way. You will notice that it breaks up towards Pittsburgh and then in town, and then just off to the west of town out towards Robinson, some heavy rain. But where we've seen this heavy precipitation up in the northeast parts of the county, this has been where we've seen over 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall. And with how solid the ground is from the month before this, leading up to this being so dry, there is some runoff there. So there is a flood advisory until 8:15 for the northeast parts of the county. Now, there is a little action, as Ken mentioned, near downtown Pittsburgh, Millvale to downtown, some hefty rain. Then you catch a little break. Then from Crafton to Robinson to Emsworth, we have some heavy rain sort of right in between all those communities there. So some heftier precipitation coming down there. And most of this is rain. But one of the other things you're going to notice are on the radar are these little lines here. That's what we would call an outflow boundary, and you can sort of see how the winds blow out of these storms as the storms develop. So some gusty winds will accompany this thunderstorm activity, and if you're not getting the storms or the outflow boundaries, you're getting the heat. 90-degree days have been pretty easy to come by this month. So far, the last week, we have seen 7 straight days of temperatures at 90 degrees or higher, and we could be adding to that total. In Pittsburgh, currently, we have temperatures at 90 degrees. It feels like 92 at those higher dew points, and thunderstorms around town and back towards the airport as well. So we're pulling off this 90-degree temperature, even with some thunderstorms. It's 94 in Cranberry, and that's where I am. And my thermometer also says 94, so it's hot up here. 93 Washington and Waynesburg. You factor in the humidity, it feels even worse than this. In many cases, more like the mid to upper 90s. Thanks to these dew points in the mid to upper 60s in most spots. Anytime your dew points are in the mid to upper 60s, it is just downright hot. And high temperatures tomorrow could reach 90 degrees again, but you'll notice a little dip Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That's cold front coming in, and that cold front will actually mean some showers and thunderstorms developing. So tomorrow evening into Saturday, some showers and thunderstorms. Well, I think Saturday, the bulk of the activity will be earlier in the day. You can't rule out a couple pop-ups into the afternoon. Same deal for Sunday and Monday. But next week, we get right back into the heat again. So temperatures back into the upper 80s and 90s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.